Okay, so if you're out in the yard a lot, watering pots, raised beds, rinsing off the patio, or in our case, filling our pond a lot, this is the kind of hose that makes it feel easier instantly. Jim just bought this on Amazon, this 20-foot metal garden hose, and I had to share because I actually already have two hoses just like this, and we've used it for the last 3 years, and we absolutely love them. So when we bought this one, and I was curious if it would hold up just the same way. First thing I noticed is it's lightweight, like ours are, and it doesn't strain your arms when you're pulling it around the garden, which I love. And it's flexible enough to snake through tight spaces around planters, corners, even between beds without an annoying fight, and it doesn't kink. I happen to have had a dog in the past that would chew my rubber hoses and put holes in them. So this was why I started buying these metal hoses. I absolutely love them. But the best part is it doesn't kink, honestly, ever. It coils neatly every time, and you're not stopping to untwist it every 2 minutes. And can we talk about the fittings? Well, this one has solid brass fittings, which is just great, and you can feel the difference. More durable, more secure, and just nicer quality. If you want a hose that's simple, sturdy, and doesn't turn watering into a workout, well, this is really a great one. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.